and I just activating it. Go to view properties and just change this as a okay, and activate it. Now you can see this is data preview. So this is the values we can able to see, we can achieve by using graphical calculation view as a skill script as well. So we created, see, we don't see any other nodes. You don't see any join, you don't see union, you don't see rank node, you don't see projection node, okay, you don't see aggregation node and all. So they will ask you in the interview as well, what they will ask whenever you create a scripted calculation view, which node will come by default. So you can tell this SQL script view. How the code will start by using this scripted calculation view. You can see just begin and end. Okay, begin and end. This is kind of like no procedure only. Okay, here you can see where output equal to this value. This thing only simple selection, and even you can put complex as well. So when we will go for calculation view as a scripted view, so when we cannot able to achieve our requirement by using graphical calculation view, so then we'll go for save. So in the BW also, how we will when we will go for start routine and end routine and fill routine and export routine. So when we cannot able to achieve by using transformation options. So whatever SAP giving options in the transformation level, so we cannot able to achieve our requirement. Then only we will go for a BAP code. In the same way, here also same thing. So nowadays, so people not using this scripted calculation view, people will go for creation of table functions. Okay, table functions will go. So we'll see how we will create table function for the real time purpose. We just created only A, B, and we are doing only addition. Okay, so we'll see close this one. So for your understanding only, I just to explain you this one. We will load one thing. We will download one table from the source and we will write one example. Just log in. Okay, I'm logging S4 HANA. I will load, I will go to S11. From this table, I will download few columns. Mm, okay. Okay, we have yes. So whatever you want to do practical, so just keep it like no like this table name, and you can load to you can create one table your schema based on this data. Close this one, close, and we will go to here, go to file, import. So same options. Already you know that, right? Here we'll select for our file, our schema. So these are the values, and I'm giving these are the keys. Or what is the tables in this primary keys in this table? Two two primary keys. There is a gap, so that is the reason. Okay, I'm taking this as well reason. Okay, now you can see select and finish it. So once it is completed, and we can see here it's completed. Now go here and we can table and refresh it. Table, where is, yeah, here we can see, okay. Right click and you can go to open content, you can see it. So who are expert in SQL, they can do easily this table function and store procedures. Okay. And if you are going to create new function, and you can do like so returns are important. So now in this case, I'm not taking any input parameters. Okay, return is mandatory always. Return table, return table. We are returning these three fields. Okay, from this table T0050, and we need to mention that table. From our table. Yes, this is the code for this our table function. See here, create function, our schema name. So we are telling the system to create our function in our system in our schema and returns table. So it will return three tables. Whenever we create this function, it will create with the three fields: mandate, line one, the region description. And this as language, this is a SQL comment. Okay, SQL commands only by default we need to use for the function. Okay, language, SQL script, language security invoker, begin and return. So we are giving the case statement for our situation. Wherever land one is the country, okay, and when land one equal to yes, then we are making it as a region description, United States, okay, Europe and United Kingdom. So else, as it is, however, other countries also will come. So for them, we'll keep normal. So we'll not keep any United and Europe and United. The description we are not maintaining. So it will keep as it is. Okay. And finally, we are getting data from the TW05S. We'll see. Okay. We are facing some issue. Okay. So in this table, do we have these all fields? First, we'll see. We just, okay. Here you can see CR. Okay. CR and reason, RG, description. So we need to change the columns as well. Okay. So we need to keep CR, country, land one. Wherever we have land one, we need to keep CR, C underscore CYR we need to give, and region RG we need to give. So we download the file and we given, right? So where it is, and client also mandate is there, CL dot, and copy CL dot, we'll say here. Okay, on this one, RG, right? So we need to give description. Or else we need to change the fields in the table level only. So just changing it here only. So control F and MA and DT. So we can do this way also. CL, control F, and we will do land one, right? For land one. Okay, wherever we have land one, and we'll update by. So we just replacing. We can replace all places. Okay, so automatically it changed it. And wherever we have description, wherever we have region, it will change it to at one shot in the code also we can change it. Okay, and let's try it will work. Still some syntax error, incorrect syntax error. Where line number 7. Okay, it won't allow. 20. Line number 21. Modulation C1, CL and person. Okay, better I will change in the table level. I'll change in the table level itself. Can we change here? Okay. while we are downloading, so we need to download with technical names. Display and go to content and remove this one and remove this one. And you can go to settings and go to user parameters and you can select fields so that we will get completed technical names will come. Okay, now you can see here this field will come. Okay, and then right click and spreadsheet, desktop only. We will overwrite with this file. Okay, yes, replace it. Okay, replace with this same file. We'll say we are facing some data, and also we need to okay and copy this code. I'll copy this code. Yeah, and then I will remove and we'll delete this table. Okay, I'm not using anywhere. Okay, now we got. Now we'll try. Okay, our original names. Wherever description, I will keep it. Okay, wherever we have CL, I'll keep it mandate. Okay, wherever we have CL, and we'll make it land. Okay, just done it. And let me activate. Still facing some issues. And okay, weird. Okay. SQL syntax error SQL. Line number 12. Okay, so if I already created one, we'll see how it will be there. Okay, now this is normal. If I don't know, okay, I will try to search it. I'll go here, I'll go to Leo A. I'll go to Leo A and I'll copy paste and we'll see. So if I am doing any mistake and it will correct, okay. Create function, return. Yeah, now it is created. So what we did mistake, I don't know. We'll correct later, okay? What we did mistake here, create function, okay? Return table, mandate, come, language, skill, security, notebook, as begin, return, okay? Okay, here we missed it as begin. Okay, we already given skill security as begin, return. Okay, let's say I will identify later. So now we can refresh it. Now you can see here. Okay. So now we'll execute and we'll see, okay, how we will see how we can execute it. Select, drag and drop. I'll make it as a comment. Execute. We need to pass out. Do we need to pass mandate? Okay, 100. And yes. Okay, let me try calculation view. In the calculation view, go to here and we'll create one calculation view. There we'll get option CV table function. Our table function name is okay. We got it. See here, we got three fields. Okay, so we already maintain it. Okay, in the table function. So here you can see. So we maintain right in the return level, return table level. We mention three fields. The three fields will come in the calculation view automatically. Okay, and now you can add to output. Okay, you know, now this one failed. No, no, no measure defined in the reporting enable. Okay. Okay, so we need to we need to create as it not dimension we need to create it. So I created as a CV underscore TF1. Okay. So I need to select this as a dimension because we don't have any measures. So it is not allowing me. So instead of creating a skill calculation view, we are doing it this one. Okay. Select this one. And what is the table name? TF case. This is function, table function. So like this, if you are getting any complex requirement also by using table function, we will write the code and we will use it. But I never get chance to working on table function and store procedures. So in the system level only, you can see all store procedures, functions based on that. Okay, we can assume and we can try it. Okay. Okay, let me activate this one. Again, fail. Why it is fail? Create scenario fail. Model inconsistency. What happened? And let's say activate. Okay. More something goes wrong in table function. Encode an error repository or automation. Model inconsistency create scenario fail. Okay. I will check, okay, by tomorrow this one and why it is failing, okay? We'll come back to you. There is issue with the okay, there is a issue in the calculation view. My authorization not sure, okay, why it is getting failed. But in the real time, okay, so simply we will use and we can activate and we can get the results as well. We can get the result as well. So as of now, like no, it is not in a proper actively. So it is not inactive. So we can see it, okay. So I will check in the backend. I will okay, in this way only we can create table function you can use in the calculation views. Okay. So I don't have right admin activities. Okay. So due to the reason it is getting failed actually. So I'll check with my team and I will get back to you on this. Okay. So we'll connect by tomorrow. So we'll discuss store procedure as well. I'll cover it. Okay. Tomorrow I'll try to cover. And we'll start S4 HANA CDS views. That also we'll see tomorrow. Okay. Bye.